Good morning, students. Today we will study three very small but important words in the English language, and that is a and the. We speak these words in almost every sentences that we speak or write. They are known as articles. Today we will study about articles. An article is a word used to point out a noun. Clear? I think you all know the alphabets. There are 26 letters in English language, that is said to be alphabets, and 5 letters are said to be vowel and 21 letters are said to be consonant. Clear? The letter A, E, I, O, U is vowel, and B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z are said to be consonant. Clear? Words like a, an or the are called articles. They are used before nouns. As you know that noun is a name of person, place, animal or things. Clear? A, an is used before the countable nouns only. Countable nouns are which can be counted. The can be used with both countable and uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns cannot be counted, like rice, wheat, etc. Milk. A and an are called indefinite articles. A is used before a singular noun. Singular noun means singular things that begins with a consonant sound. I have earlier told you that what is consonant. Example, give me a glass of water. I bought a bag from the shop. A shows that one bag. A shows that a glass of water means a glass, one glass. Clear? Now come to the an. An is used before a singular noun that begins with a vowel sound. Vowel sound means A, E, I, O, U. Clear? Example, she ate an orange. Orange is vowel. Clear? So an is used here. Second, she carried an umbrella. Umbrella is vowel. So an is used here. Now the third example is something different. He is an honest man. You can say that H is the consonant. Words such as Europeans, honest, are, and university. These words starts from vowel. These words starts from consonant, but vowel sounds are given out. That's why a is used, an is used. Okay. Now the is called definite article because it indicates something special or particular. Example, the is used before nouns with consonant as well as vowel sound. Clear? It is used with consonant as well as vowel sounds. See the examples. The student is very naughty. The student. The example is talking about the particular student. So the is used here. Next, the apples that I bought were ripe. Here, the apples which are special, which he bought, were ripe. So the is used here. Clear? Article the can also be used with non-count nouns. Example, she fell into the water. Water cannot be counted. Second, the milk in the glass is not fresh. The is used here because milk is uncountable nouns. Use of the. We use definite article the before a noun only one of its kind. The earth revolves around the sun. There is no another earth and there is no another sun. It's only one of its kind. The moon is very bright tonight. Clear? And the is also used before superlative adjectives. You know that adjectives has 3 degrees. The superlative degrees are used before The Russia is the largest country in the world. It is the oldest. It is the oldest means superlative degree of old. Temple in the city. The is also used only one in that place. We live in a house near the sugar mill. Look at the boy, the particular boy with a broken leg. The is also used before nouns already mentioned. A cow is sleeping under a tree. The cow is sick. The cow, which is mentioned already before. Please give me a pen. The pen should be blue. The is used because pen is also mentioned before. The is also used before nouns referring to their class. Like life can be hard for the poor. The poor, particular kind of poor peoples. The kangaroo is not found in India. Clear? The is also used before musical instruments. He plays the tabla very well. I am learning the guitar. All the musical instruments. The is used before a system or service. Examples, I heard it on the radio. You should tell the police. Clear? We do not normally use the definite article before names, but we use it before names of the countries that include the words kingdom, states, republic, or have plural names. For example, the United Kingdom, the United States, the Republic of China, the Netherlands, the Philippines. And also the geographical features, for example, the Himalayas, the Atlantic, the Amazon, the Panama Canal. Newspapers and some religious books, for example, the Statesman, the Hindustan Times, the Ramayana, the Bible. Well-known buildings or works of art, for example, the India Gate, the Mona Lisa. And before the organizations, for example, the United Nations, the Siemens Union. Before the hotels and the restaurants, for example, the Rich, the Pizza Hut. Before the families, for example, the Ambanis, the Tatas, the Obamas. Clear? Thank you, students.